Okay, good morning, friends. And today we have our next class. Today we are going to do two things. First, we will understand that how social media can be used for our purpose, for business purposes. Actually, basically, mostly the people, they are using social media only for entertainment purpose, particularly in the younger generation, till they have started their career. But social media has huge impact on business. Almost all the business houses, and not only business houses, including the educational institutions, they have their presence on social media. So social media is very, very important. So first we will understand about social media, and after that, today we will have our examination on the topic of internet search and email writing. Okay, so let us first start with our, let me add them. Okay, and at the outset, I am very happy to introduce my friend, Dr. Parveen Sharma. He is an expert on social media and communication skills. You will be very happy to meet him. I have requested him to join our class this morning so that you can interact with him. He will explain it that how social media can be used. So
Good
good
morning,
morning, Dr.
sir.
Parveen. Good morning, Arish.
Good morning, sir.
Morning. So Dr. Parveen, good morning, and
Good morning,
nice
sir.
to have you. Okay,
Good
thank you.
morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good
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 morning,
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 sir.
good
Sir.
morning, sir.
everyone.
Good
Good
morning,
morning,
sir.
Aman, Arish, Tejinder, everyone. Good morning.
Sir,
Sir,
There
Suraj,
are, Dr. Parveen, there are around 24 students in this class. Very soon they will be joining. They are
right.
the students of our Bachelor of Vocational Education, and their course is Accounts and Finance. So, as a part of their course curriculum, they have one course on computer applications uh, for
Good morning.
vocational studies.
Sir,
And this is the topic on social media, that how they can create their means profile on social media websites, and particularly as we all know that LinkedIn is a very professional website. So, and then how we can create event like say event on Facebook, event on LinkedIn, and how we can use other social media platforms for our career growth, for our business, for promotions or anything. Means
right.
other than the entertainment part, how we can effectively use social media. So thank you so much for joining us with this class. And may I request you now to guide the students. Over to you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. So, good morning, everyone, and glad to be among the students of Professor Sharma because I'm also a student of him. So, for me, it is about meeting my batchmates or meeting the classmates, or we are part of the same institution. Now, my name is Praveen. I'm a not by profession, I would call it, but I'm a teacher by conviction, and my subject of teaching has been communication skills and English. I won't call it English and communication skills because any language you speak, you have to be impressive enough to be remembered by the other person so that the other person can come back to you to have a good, fruitful communication or interaction or a conversation again. So, communication skills is a fundamental human skill. And the moment I say communication, you know what the definition is. You might be having a paper also, and you may be writing or making that sender to receiver process. A message is sent by a sender, received by the receiver, and the receiver sends the feedback. And the moment you feel yourself and a friend of yours, like if I become a sender today and you become a receiver today, and I want you to do or to give me the feedback which is desired by me, I have to customize my communication in a way that you feel respected, you feel considered, and you feel there's a courtesy also. You find that there is correctness and conciseness, and this is what I'm talking about, the 7 C's of communication. But there is one thing that we all have been missing, and generally every lecture starts by telling us or pinpointing the pain area. But social media is something where these days we will never accept that we are failing. But actually, if you refer to, like, I'm not sure whether you have watched this movie or not, there is a movie called The Social Dilemma, or there's a movie named Circle as well. Tom Hanks is there, the one who came with News of the World a couple of days ago. And The Social Dilemma, if you have watched this movie, can you just let me know in the chat? Social Dilemma is a docu-film type of thing, or a documentary. So if you have watched DIL, and I'm leaving it to you, if you have watched The Social Dilemma, which is on Netflix, I guess, you may be able to gauge or assess how much wrong has been happening to us or with us or by us on social media. But still, human beings हैं, so we can change things from question to goodness. And today's purpose is just to share with you, and share with you is doesn't mean that I'm telling you something that you don't know. You know it pretty well. And when sir told me that there are 24 students, so collectively you have got better knowledge, you have got great amount of knowledge comparable to my learning. मुझसे ज़्यादा आप जानते हैं जितना मैं समझ सकता हूँ मिलके तो. But we all are divided in segments, and social media can be a cause of it. But when I'm concerned about the degree that you are doing, like you are doing BVOC, and in this BVOC degree, what you have is you are turning into people who are willing to join a vocation. And vocation is a career, and career is not a job. Now, there are certain things that I'm tempted to share before I move on to the lecture, or demonstrating you about LinkedIn or Facebook or Insta or some other platforms which will be related to your career as well. When I'm talking about it, there is one thing that I'm just typing a few things for you also. Now, the thing is, I am on social media and my students see me and they make a notion of my personality. But when employers are going to see me, employers means, because see, vocation, career is made of different jobs that you do. So if any one of you is willing to make a good of the 3 or 4 years you are spending at the campus or virtual campus, that way that you believe I'm a teacher, I believe you are a student, and both of us believe that there is a university, but we are going to land there very soon. You want a job, I want my students to get jobs, and employers want people who are willing to do the job. In this try run that we are doing, that we are in this triangle or connectivity, we all have to have a good presence. We can call it like digital presence also. So if you are doing something wrong by speaking to me, there is a possibility that I will forget those words and we both will be good friends, will be good connections in the future as well. One. Second, if you have put anything online against me, or I have written something online, my dear friends, it never goes away. Anything which goes to internet remains on the internet, and you are nobody, not even the owners. Because if Swadha has told me that she has watched the movie, so Social Dilemma tells us everything which goes online remains there. Even if you have deleted a photograph of yours from Facebook or Insta or anything, it's still there. Internet is keeping whatever is being given to it, because it's all virtual. बहुत छोटा छोटा data होता है. So if you have a good digital presence, the employers who are going to give you a vocation to do, at present you are doing your studies and you are not paid. Later on, again, you will be learning, but you will be paid. So right now what we are talking about is, we are talking about something which is not just related, I would say, to your friend circle presence, or that is not related to something which is related to your job search, but we are talking about your digital presence or digital footprints, they call commonly. I'm sharing my screen and I'll show you how I have I'm presenting to you a resume. So with the moment I'm giving you this resume, I believe that you can just let me know whether it is good or not. And some of you might be able to maybe find out that this resume relates to the topic as well. So I'm sharing with you something. Yesterday I was making resume for my younger brother. I'll show you that resume as well. I guess that will also make sense. I mean, that will be something that I would like to share. Let me see whether it is on the desktop itself. Yes. So this is one resume, Dr. Sharma. This is resume of Pankaj, and This is a one-page resume that I designed yesterday. From the 2 pages, we turned into one. Now,
Yeah.
this is a resume which was designed from scratch. Scratch means I took an empty Word document and then I designed it in a particular format that I was willing to make. So this is the resume. This is a one-page resume, and this is the resume that I'm showing you. This is my profile. It is 6 pages, and this is Parveen Kumar Sharma and so heading, and then there is the state where I am. This is the summary, and these are certain contact information details. These are top skills on the left hand side, and all of you can have a very nice look on this resume, and do not appreciate the details. You can let me know whether this format looks fine to you or not. Like, this is the resume.
Parveen,
Sir,
let me add one very interesting thing here. I have some books with me.
sir.
Very recently on Facebook, there are many groups on Facebook. So there is one group on instructional design, which is my area. And nowadays, because due to pandemic, many people, they have lost their job or they are changing their job, something. So one person asked a very important question, that normally when the people, they apply for job, the employer wants their one-page resume. And he was asking about the cover letter, and the person wanted to know that how long the cover letter should be. Then all the people who were in the group, they started, advising him. And the consensus is that the cover letter should not be more than 1 page.
Right.
Now, then he was asking that, means in 1 page, how can I cover my all things? And one person said very important thing, and that's why I have these books I wanted to show you. When you go to the market to purchase one book, you do not read whole book. At the back of all these books, you will see small these endorsements by others. Here you will see there are few things. Then this is another book, a very thing. So what we do, this is a 200-page book. Yeah, Parveen is showing that book. But we decide that whether we are going to purchase that book or not, just on the basis of these 250 words, only small few lines, and that makes us decide whether we are going to purchase that book or not. उसी तरीके से जो कवर लेटर होता है, ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, क्योंकि कवर लेटर के बेस पे ही एम्प्लॉयर डिसाइड कर लेगा कि उसने हमें नौकरी देनी है या नहीं देनी है. तो आप ये जो पंकज जी का सीवी दिखा रहे थे, ये देख के मुझे याद आया कि ये आपने जो 1 पेज का जो सीवी बनाने में पंकज जी की हेल्प की है, दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. इट शुड बी कंसाइज. आपको थोड़े चीज में अपनी सारी चीजें किस तरीके से बनाना है. इट इज वेरी गुड एग्जांपल ऑफ दैट. Please continue.
Thank you, sir. And there is one thing very important. See, forget about, like, I'm not giving you a selfish thing, but my dear students, friends, आप मुझसे छोटे हैं, and छोटे doesn't mean that you are by age, but I have lived those years in which you are. See, the purpose is about learning our livelihood. Means you want to fulfill the desires of your parents, your friends should be proud of you, and you need a job for it. Generally, this is what the definition is. And if you need a job, you need to convince someone who is in the decision-making chair. Like, if I'm in the decision-making chair, you're going to tell me that you deserve this. And how you are going to convince me? You're not going to put a pistol here and then say, Mr. Praveen, job do bhai. या फिर मैं आपको आके ये कहूँ कि you have to give me the job and I'll give you a gift. No. You have to present yourself, and you have to convince me not about your present. You have to convince me about the future. And how you are going to convince me about the future is, as sir mentioned, a cover letter. A cover letter is like your friend in the army, where like if I and Dr. Sharma, both of us are there and we are on the border and fighting with somebody who's putting things in danger for us. What we do, we have heard a term in the movies also. We call it a covering fire. Covering fire is, there is one person who's giving you the cover and then you are taking the lead to do something. The cover letter is the letter which is becoming your spokesperson or a representative, and whatever, every single word in the cover letter means a lot. Every single word will speak about you, your competence in the field as well as your competence to present. और एक खास बात है, ये उर्दू में एक शेर है बड़ा अच्छा सा, कि बेशक उसी का दोष है जो कहता नहीं खामोश है. The fault lies with the person Who is silent? And silence doesn't mean silent. Silent means you are speaking, but still the thing which is required by the other person is not being spoken. So now when we see at the resume, how about this one? This is a 6-page resume with these 13 years of teaching. There is a possibility that I might have got all these things with me. You see, these are the experiences, and this is job experience. This is again job experience. Then this is about the trainings. This is about one thing that I was with Times of India also. There was a school, volunteer. I was a volunteer with the university. Now I was a faculty at Amity University, Noida. That was around 7 years. So this is the job. This is my education.
Sir, sector 45. Sir, Amity University sector
125.
सर ये सेक्टर 44 के पास है ना?
बिल्कुल सर, 44
सर वहीं रहता हूँ सर।
अरे वाह, आप तो पड़ोस में हैं फिर तो कैंपस के। I used to live in Noida 15, and after that I shifted to East Delhi, Mayur Vihar, and then we shifted back to Kurukshetra. So this is the resume and this is education. And ये बताइए, ऐसा वाला resume आप में से कितने लोग बनाना चाहेंगे? Forget about like this is a 1 page or 2 page. Like, do you want to have this kind of resume for somebody who is around you? Let's learn things not for us. अपने लिए नहीं सीखते हैं. Let's learn things for others, that you can help your elder brother, sister, or friends, or parents. You can help somebody around you. Learn things for that purpose also. सिर्फ अपने लिए सीखते हैं ना तो हम कम सीखते हैं. So let me know this resume. Does it sound good to you? Like, skills are on this side, certificates are on this side, honors and awards are on this side, publications are on this side, and then on this side we have got this data. And if you feel, if I look at the chat, and I am expecting at least 1 or 2 unmutes or something, that this resume that you see, are you willing to have this kind of resume made for you in quickly? Like, somebody should tell you that, buddy, this is the software, you add things here and then you click on generate and then it gets generated. It is something like the pizza machine. Maybe in future with artificial intelligence we'll be having it. Coffee machines to aayi gayi hain, that you press the button and then you're getting the pizza out and there is nothing. And we might be having it at home also. So let me know if you are willing to see how this resume can be made. मुझे बताइए जरा. ये 44 वाले पड़ोसी भी बता सकते हैं और बहुत सारे लोग हैं. तेजिंदर बता सकते हैं, स्वधा बता सकती हैं, या फिर आप लोग कोई भी. And I'm deliberately taking names because my subject tells me to connect with people not by numbers or roll numbers. Arish can tell me this thing. Suraj can be the one. Are you willing to see this resume making? ये वाला resume कैसे बना, क्या मैं आपको process बता दूं?
बिल्कुल सर, बिल्कुल.
Done sir. Thank you. And Dr. Sharma has given me a term कि बोलते रहिए, बात करते रहिए, नहीं तो लगता है कि ब्लैक बॉक्स से बात कर रहे हैं, तो क्रैश होगा, तभी पता चलेगा कि पायलट क्या बात कर रहा था. This is my LinkedIn profile, my dear friends. I'm going to some place. मैं कहीं जा रहा हूँ अभी इसमें, और मैं आपको एक चीज दिखाता हूँ अभी. लीजिए, रेज्यूमे बनाए, यही वाला रेज्यूमे. मैं मोर पे क्लिक करता हूँ, मैं सेव टू पीडीएफ क्लिक करता हूँ, और ये डाउनलोड हो रहा है, और मैं इसको सेव करता हूँ, और मैं आपके सामने इसको क्लिक करता हूँ, and this opens. How many seconds it took for me to generate the resume? कितने seconds लगे होंगे? LinkedIn पे गया मैं. This is my LinkedIn profile. This I have made, as I have made my Facebook profile, or I have got Instagram, or I have got another profile. बहुत सारी जगह पे हम लोग आजकल profiles बनाते हैं. So this is my profile. On the profile page, if I copy this link and I drop it to all of you like this, you won't be able to generate it. I go to more. I go to save to PDF. The moment I click on more, step 1, step 2, save to PDF. And the moment I click on save to PDF, it says, because I have been downloading it again and again. So error, done, downloading, downloaded. Steps are click on more, click on download PDF, and then it is getting downloaded, and you click, and then this is your resume. LinkedIn gives you the facility of downloading ready-made resume and then email it. You can even build your resume. You can create from your LinkedIn profile a resume, and that resume can be sent to the employers. And I am telling you another truth, the truth, सच्चाई जो मैं आपको बता रहा हूँ, after talking to the HRs, these days they just ask you to send the LinkedIn profile URL. What is the LinkedIn profile URL for me? This is my LinkedIn profile URL. this is going to be sent to the employers and they will simply look at it and then will give me a call that we have seen your resume. How? मैं एक बार component आपको बताऊंगा, फिर उसके बाद में I'll just give you a couple of minutes to ask questions about it. LinkedIn is like Facebook. Facebook is a social media platform where people connect socially. Can you assume one thing, and I'll put up this thing for Dr. Sharma's feedback also. Is it possible for me, sir, to connect with vice chancellors on Facebook? Will they accept my request? I'm asking you because you know so many of them. Will it be possible for me to be a friend with them on Facebook?
Normally they may have their page, but they will never look at it.
One thing, and even if they are active, will they accept the request on Facebook? Or students can also tell me, is it possible for me to be a friend with some vice presidents or some CEOs of universities? Is it possible for me that suppose there is a university, there is a university, sir, Rishihood in Sonipat. Now, yes. And there is a company called Tata AIG General Insurance. And there are certain more companies, like there is a university in Punjab, CT University. We have got ICFI University. These are certain names. And let me show you one thing. And this is my profile. I'll show you my network. On Facebook, they don't care about me. They don't accept anything. And I'm showing you this thing. I'm showing you this thing here. मैं आपको अपने connections दिखाता हूँ इस पे. And then I'm proud of it also. I'll show you my connections. I have been sending requests to people here, and see, this is Dr. H.P. Singh, VSM, Vishisht Seva Medal. He is Vice Chancellor of ICFI University. Ramesh Tamak is Senior Vice President, Broker Relations at Tata AIG General Insurance Company. And then we have got one person who's Director of at the university, which is University of Petroleum Energy Studies. And I'll show you one more. Dr. Kamlesh Mishra is Vice Chancellor of Rishihood University. I can message him, connected. Co-founder and CEO of Rishihood University, IIT Delhi, is a friend here also. And then all these people. And Vice Chancellor at CT University, Vice Chancellor at OP Jindal University. मैं कितनी भी कोशिश कर लूँ, ये सपने में भी मेरा request Facebook पे accept नहीं करेंगे. You also know this thing. Even this Praveen Sharma जो आपसे बात कर रहा है ना, even I won't allow you to get into my Facebook, but I'll be glad to have you here. And these are the people that I have. If I ask you, give me a possible employer name, कोई अपना possible सपने का employer का नाम बताइए मुझे, जहाँ पे आप कभी apply करेंगे, that you will be applying to a particular company, whether it's HCL, Wipro,
Oracle, sir, Oracle. ORACLE.
Done, sir. Oracle.
Yes, sir.
On LinkedIn, how profile can be made is quite easy. You make your account, and then it gives you those template जहाँ पे आपको education you will be adding, qualification you will be adding, volunteer experience you will be adding. वो तो उसमें बना बनाया है. As Facebook asks you, give me your name, give me your favorite movies and books. The same way you can make a profile. My purpose is to tell you how you are going to use it. एक चीज तो मैंने आपको बताई, that is you can generate a profile. The second thing that you can do is, I'm searching here ORACLE. Just let me know, is it this Oracle Information Technology Services?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
And clicked, sir. I have a profile and I have clicked on Oracle. Can somebody see that this is the page of Oracle? On Facebook also they have got a page. On Facebook you will know that these many friends like it. But here I can see how many connections work here for me. Love and 3 others connections work here. ये मैं इसमें देख रहा हूँ. Love and 3 more connections work here. और मुझे job ढूंढनी है Oracle में, or I have got an interview, or there is a vacancy. I click here. These are my friends or connections who are there in Oracle. Now this is Ajay Singh, Assistant Manager, System and Operations at Oracle India. If I need to have a recommendation, what I will do, I'll simply message Ajay Singh and say, Ajay ji, I am a friend of yours on LinkedIn, and possibly we know each other as well, और मैं उनसे help लूँगा. This is Enterprise Account Manager, Rich. This is Surojit Das, and this is Oracle Certified Implementation. मेरे connections, हाँ जी.
परवीन, ये जो recommendation वाला आप बता रहे हो ना, ये बहुत interesting है.
हाँ जी.
मेरा बेटा बेंगलोर की एक IT फर्म में काम करता है. उनकी फर्म के अंदर रिकमेंडर सिस्टम है, वो उसको रिकमेंडर सिस्टम बोलते हैं. तो उसमें क्या है कि यदि वो मेरा बेटा, जैसे मान लो सूरज है, और सूरज को वो रिकमेंड करते हैं, और कंपनी ने सूरज का इंटरव्यू लिया, और कंपनी ने यदि सूरज को सेलेक्ट कर लिया तो मेरे बेटे को 1 लाख रुपए मिलेंगे। ये रिकमेंडेशंस का ये सिस्टम है कंपनीज के अंदर कि भाई आप अच्छे कैंडिडेट लाओ हमारे लिए, और यदि वो हमने उसको नौकरी दे दी तो आपको कुछ इंसेंटिव मिलेगा। ये बड़ी काम की चीज है ये जो आप बता रहे हो।
और अभी ये देखिएगा, LinkedIn will give you, when you have made a profile and you are on your profile page, there is a button at the bottom called recommendations. I can ask for a recommendation. I can ask somebody, suppose I write here SANG, like she has been connected with us in a course. So I'm asking Dr. Sangeeta, and our relationship has been that we have worked together, we were students together. All these are the capacities that I'm selecting so that she can recommend me. My position at that time, I'm here and I'm sending this message to her, and she will be writing a recommendation to me. I'll be getting a message that so and so has written a recommendation, and I will read the recommendation. I can ask them to edit it, and once it is like acceptable, I will click on accepted, published. It will be shown on my profile. You know, if I have shared this link with you in the chat and you look at my profile, these recommendations will be visible, and employers will read these recommendations. These are the referrals, and this is not corruption. पहले होता था वैसा that you are taking a पर्ची or a slip of somebody. This is completely your authentic achievement कि लोग आपके बारे में लिख रहे हैं. एक तो LinkedIn पे लोग आपको endorse करते हैं, like these are the skills, my skills are here, so I have been, people endorse you, जैसे people like you on Facebook, they endorse you for certain things. The best that way, highest thing for me is something कि मैं public speaking में endorsed हूँ, or people have endorsed me for e-learning. So all these things are there, and LinkedIn keeps on doing it. Another thing that I'm suggesting to you here at present, जो भी हम बात कर रहे थे, suppose one thing is that you can ask somebody, and I'm showing you something. This is HCL, my dear friends. Sir, I told you that I was having an interview call by HCL for their communication technology venture, and and the day I got a call from them and I had an interview, before that I searched for HCL people, that whether I have got some people in HCL or not. The moment I did, all these are my friends. And what I did, I'll show you. Message. Achyut Chandra is leading their innovation lead, and I told him by message, hey, Achyut, I got a call and had a small interaction with the communication skills training department at HCL. Neha coordinated, and so just recalled about you being in HCL. So sharing with you, will keep you posted about the follow-up they sent. Usne kaha, done. Sure, nice to hear from you. I can help you with the recommendation. Glad to know that. All the best. And it's one thing. I'll show you one more. And this is one more connection. He's a student of mine, sir, from Amity, 2009 when I was there. Viplav is a group HR manager at HCL, and I'll show you the message that I sent to him. Now, I have also wished him, let me find out, not Viplav that way, but I had connected with him. I wanted to have some insights. So I asked him about some kind of what do you call it, that way, observations. I was asking how people can safeguard their jobs in COVID. These are the connections, and he won't be happy to talk to me on Facebook because Facebook doesn't have that image. उस पे हम लोग serious नहीं चलते हैं उतना. So this is one thing. You can simply search for an employer, AMBED. ये last चीज search कर रहा हूँ मैं अभी. Ambedkar University, Delhi. And I'm searching for it, and I'll show you. These are the employees, and Dr. Sharma is the only connection that I have here. So if I've got something there, I'll simply search and will do. Otherwise, I can click 299 employees who are there for them, and I can search them. मेरे लिए इतना आसान है connect करना किसी भी organization के साथ. So these are the things that happen, and LinkedIn generates your profile. LinkedIn gives you a reliability. Employers search करते हैं, ये देखिए jobs. LinkedIn gives you a naukri.com type better service also. These are the jobs. So if I have got a skill, I'll simply type here assistant professor, and it will tell me all the jobs. LinkedIn is for job search. LinkedIn is for asking people for internships. LinkedIn is for resume generation. LinkedIn is for a reliable professional presence. You're not supposed to have a funky yo image on LinkedIn. You keep a professional image. तो ये आपका serious वाला side चलता है, जिसके लिए you have been investing a lot of time and money. So this is about LinkedIn. And the last thing that I'll be putting here is social media is not something that you can take it easy sense. If you have placed anything on social media, my dear friends, your employers are searching. मैं भी ढूंढता हूँ. I simply go to internet and find out somebody who's going to be hired or will be considered for internship. So that is about LinkedIn. You can ask me anything about LinkedIn now. Dr. Sharma will share with you a small podcast link also that you can listen about why to make a profile on LinkedIn. तो वो एक छोटा सा पॉडकास्ट का शो भी है, and I have shared the link with you. If you can get connected with me on LinkedIn, we can keep on like expanding our social media and professional media profile expansion also, sir.
Okay, thank you, Parveen. And friends, if you need, we may have more session on it. And as a part of your course, everybody should have a profile on LinkedIn. So after this class, you can create your LinkedIn, and in future, maybe today it is Wednesday. Our next class will be on Saturday. So if you think, then you can post it into or you can inform me. We can have another session very soon on how to use, because creating an event on LinkedIn, LinkedIn is not only there for these things. You can launch your online courses. It is a wonderful platform for serious professional work that it is being there. And similarly, you can create your events on Facebook. So we will see that how, if you are organizing some event, maybe like what do we have that in AUD, जो निखिल सर जिसके वो ऑर्गेनाइज करते हैं, हर साल एक बार होता है, आई फॉरगॉट इट्स नेम. दिस इज ए कल्चरल इवेंट. सो इफ यू आर कंडक्टिंग सम कल्चरल इवेंट, हाउ डू यू प्रमोट दैट? तो वो उन चीज़ों को करने के लिए वो होता है. Okay, so Dr. Parveen, thank you so much for staying with us and sharing your expert knowledge with us. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, everyone.
And we may bother you again very soon for your expert.
I'll be glad, sir. Thank you.
Okay. Bye bye. Take care.
Thank you,
Bye,
sir.
sir.
Thank you,
Thank you,
sir.
everyone. God bless you. Stay happy.
Thank you so much.
Bye. 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 All the best.